What's up everybody? Today we're going to be going over how to create a macOS installer to reimage your Mac. So the first thing we're going to want to do is check to see if you have a copy of the installer already on your computer. If you do, you can forego the next spot, which goes over how to download it. Open up Finder, click Applications, and in my case, I've got a copy of macOS Monterey already here, so I'm good to go. But if you don't, go to the Apple Store, type in macOS, find the version you want, click View, click Get, you'll be prompted to download. Go ahead and click Download, and it will download a copy of that version of macOS to your computer. Don't worry, this isn't going to reinstall, it's just downloading a copy of the installer. The next thing we're going to want to do is plug in our thumb drive, and we're going to relabel it. So find your thumb drive, right click on it, click Rename, and then type in macOS, capital M, capital OS. You can close Finder at that point, and then click on Spotlight in the top right, type in Terminal, hit Enter. Type Clear after you make this full screen so you can see everything a little better, no more mess in the way. And then in the video description, the commands for each version of macOS will be there. So I'm doing Monterey, so my command will be different, but if you're looking for like Big Sur or one of the other ones, you're going to copy the appropriate command. Paste it in there, hit Enter, and you'll be prompted to format your disk. Now, make sure you're using a thumb drive that you don't need anything off of, because this process will wipe that thumb drive. As you can see now, it's erasing the disk. This part can take quite a while, not necessarily the erasing, but the copying of the data. The erasing part will complete here shortly. And now it's actually copying the data from the installer to the USB drive. Now when you're all done, it should look something like this. You'll see the percentage completed, and it says install media now available at, and then it has the name of the drive. It renamed it from macOS to macOS Monterey. And now you're pretty much ready to rock and roll. You can take this thumb drive, plug it into your computer, boot off of it, and install a fresh copy of macOS. I'll put some information about how to do that in the video description below. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video today. If the video was helpful, hit that thumbs up button. If not, hit that thumbs down. And as always, I'd appreciate some feedback in the comments, and your subscriptions are always appreciated as well. Peace.